Hi, hello, welcome to Bell English. Today we are looking at an opportunity posted by greatest MNC which hails from India, the Wipro. So Wipro Limited has various openings across different domains and they are looking for both technical and non-technical freshers as well as tenure. So the company is basically looking for people across India, so though it has presence all over the world. So let's get into the details of the job postings, both technical and non-technical. And before we get into the details of these job postings, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click on that bell icon as soon as you subscribe to the channel so that you'll receive daily video updates on new job postings. And there's a website. So the website of the company, I have given the website link along with the reference on the description box. You can use it very well, and this is where you're going to search the job. So I'm searching for freshers currently, and so once you route to the place, you can select whichever option you wanted. So you can select the location, as in which location you're looking for, and city in specific. So they have various openings for freshers. So freshers openings are available in Hyderabad and Sarita Vihar, Airoli, and Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Pune. And these openings are both technical and non-technical, as I was saying. So this is one such opening which is of non-technical background. And technical, non-technical, as in people who have completed engineering and non-engineering. So this position, so anyone who has completed their graduation can actually apply for this job. So all they look for is good communication, English communication, problem solving skills, ability to meet the deadlines, who work to high standard under pressure, familiarity with Google Maps and MapMaker related products, task details, result oriented, create correct map areas for draw out road, interconnected road, apply travel restrictions, set correct location for addresses while ensuring the highest level of precision and quick turnaround. So only freshers and graduates are eligible. Candidate must have certificate from their respective university, can be a deemed university or autonomous, whatever it is. And autonomous universities, they are not considering as of now. So you should possess a degree from deemed university or the university. And so, they're not looking for any postgraduates, just that the graduates can apply it. It must be fine to work with rotational shifts. You should be convenient with the shift. Most of these companies work for abroad-based clients, wherein they look for people who work in multiple shifts in order to support their clients, and candidates out of Hyderabad is not considered as of now. So this is one. This is a product specialist role. Okay, so here again, this is open for anyone irrespective of their educational qualification. So minimum graduate, so from any stream, can be experienced or freshers. So this is absolutely an opening for freshers. So they should have good communication skill in English. Typing speed must be 30 words per minute with accuracy 90%. Flexible to work in US shift and 5 days work. So rotational weekly off. So that is how this opening actually goes on. And so let's look into other openings also for the freshers. Okay, so which is associate analyst KYC. Okay, so this is again for finance graduate or PG fresher. Okay, so whoever has completed it. So basically it's like attending to details, good listening, speaking skill, willingness to learn basic computer applications, and good lexical and grammatical ability. Basically, you should have good language skill in order to apply for this position. You can be a graduate or a PG fresher as well. So it's open for freshers. So a good opportunity with such a reputed company, which is hailed mostly throughout India. And this company has provided such a wonderful opportunity, and people who are about to start their career, this company is actually a good place to start with. So excellent communication skills, verbal, written, courteous with strong customer service orientation. So these three openings, what we have seen is all for non-technical background. So whoever has qualification other than we can very well apply it. So all these position product specialist across various locations. You see, like Kolkata, and yeah, whatever city we have seen already. So everywhere it's there. And this one, the one we see here, the Oracle competency, is basically for a technical person. Like the position is Oracle competency lead. So this is the roles and responsibilities of the role, and this is a key qualification which they are expecting. You should have 8 years to 10 years of experience. So this is for the tenured people and technically qualified people. I've given details of this link. You can very well go and search for it yourself and get to know about these position details and all. So once you go through this page, once you go through whichever position you wanted to apply, you have to click like apply now button here. So this is a standard format where you have to do the application process for many of the MNCs. So you can also refer this opening to any of your friends or your any acquaintance where you want to refer a job. You can very well do that by referring this to them. So you can do that as a reference also. So the existing employees will do that, and besides that you can also refer people directly. So for such positions, so I've clicked the apply now button. So once it opens, you will see this screen here. So this is for their non-disclosure kind of thing, where you have to enter your email address, okay, and then you have to click I accept the privacy policy. So once you accept the privacy policy, you have to click the next button. Just go through the privacy policy altogether. And if you have profiles available on Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and in like Microsoft, you can very well connect them directly. As soon as you click here, it will take you to the login page where as soon as you enter the credentials, that will be grabbed from there. And on the other hand, you can also have things updated over here. Okay, so your CV. So you have to upload your resume either from the Drive, Dropbox, whichever application you have. You can upload it from there. Even from your computer, you can do that. Upload the CV, curriculum vitae, and then your profile picture. You have to upload it here. So either from your computer or from the Drive, Dropbox. And then login details. You have to mention the login details along with the password. So it's a username here. And then your information. So your salutation, your first name, middle name, last name, and then your contact numbers and your postal address for contact purpose. And then, so have you ever been employed with Wipro or its subsidiary? If at all you, since you are a fresher, you would mention it as no. However, if you are a tenured person who was already employed with Wipro, you can apply it, marking it as yes. And once you click the yes button, you have to mention the details here. If it is no, you can just skip it. Your date of birth and how did you hear about this opening. So you can select whichever is applicable here. So then your education background, like what is your education, your degree in the college where you got your education accredited, then the university, the score details, things has to be captured here. And then your work experience, if at all you're tenured, and if you are a fresher, you can very well skip this process. So once you're done with your education thing, you can directly go and update other things, and then you can submit the profile. So once it is submitted for this particular position, whichever position you apply for, once it is submitted, it will go through a process with the HR team, and then you'll hear back from them using the contact details you have furnished. The important thing is you have to mention a proper contact number and the email address, which is very essential for any company to get in touch with you regarding your application status. So once you are done, so you are set. Once you submit it, things will be cool and you'll hear back from the company. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So share it with your friends. So definitely that will be helpful for them. So subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button. Support the channel. Subscribe to it so that you'll get regular video updates.